Hey NailTubers, what is up Nailification Squad? Hi to everybody new on the channel and thank you so much for being here. We're still on vacation by way of these nails. In fact, I should have named this a vacation series or something. Now, my acrylic application may look a little troubled in this one because it's been a long time since I talked about this. All acrylic powders will not behave the same, and that's not saying anything bad. What it actually means is, as a person interested in working with acrylics, you have to be able to adjust to variations of acrylic, no different than you would with polishes. So I have been using NotPolish, and today I chose acrylics from my iGel beauty collection, and it took doing a few fingers before I started feeling a little more consistent today. But I'm still real happy with how they turned out. Also, I didn't start with a clear acrylic because none of these were dark or heavily pigmented. In fact, if anything, they're so shimmery and beautiful. I'm really hating that the camera is just not letting it be great. So, as you can see, I did the solid color on the pinky and index. The thumb, ring, and middle fingers will get an ombre. I'm still getting used to doing ombre, but I think the ombre on the thumb turned out the best. Maybe just a little too much here? The ring and middle fingers will have a three-way ombre. I liked that the shades of the colors were very close, which made the fade look more natural. And if you end up covering up too much, you can always go back in with the color you want to show more. The only thing I think I would have done differently is brought the nude color down further. But I still think it came out just like I pictured. I go in with clear, the Abolone Stone Flakes were from the lovely gifts sent by Daniela. I placed them randomly as flush to the surface as possible and continued to fill in with clear acrylic. Keep in mind, this will be a lumpy surface and will need much filling in the end. Here's another glimpse for you to watch. Make sure you fill in behind the stone. I just couldn't wait to see how it looks in the end because, you know, it feels like it looks so bad while you're still working the set. So once all the nails were finished with a clear layer, I hand filed. And I messed up, guys. I forgot, and I was watching a video in the background. And I can't even remember whose it was, because usually I remember who I'm watching whenever I'm doing a set. But you know what? The good thing is, I did include some e-file ASMR in this one. And you know what? Believe it or not, there's a lot of people who like e-file ASMR just as much as hand filing. If you are, leave it in the comments and let me know that you like e-file ASMR. Because I think I've been including both, have I? I don't know, but I just know that I messed up and I was watching a video today in the background. I used No Wipe Glossy Top Coat by NotPolish. I did the pinky and index first, adding a small splotch of builder gel and a small stone so as to not outdo the accent nails, and then I cured the two. At the last minute, I decided to accentuate the stones by outlining them with silver and give it some glimmer, you know, like you'd see in the ocean. They will also get glossy top coat with touches of builder gel for some clear, glassy stones. I was so nervous for the outcome, so I'm just going to let you see how it works and turns out. Thank you so much for spending your time with me today. If you enjoyed this and would like to see more, I do post regularly on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Well, with the exception of scheduling conflict or some technical issues. I also offer other content on random days of the week. There's a series called Bougie Nails on a Budget and also one called The Mass Finger. So consider subscribing to my channel so you don't miss any of it. And when you do, remember to hit the notification bell so that you'll know the next time that I upload. We'll see you next time. Much love.